How to solve math problems using PhotoMath camera. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the PhotoMath app. After you've installed the app, launch the app on your phone. After you launch the app, it'll directly open up the camera. From here, you can scan the mathematical problems. Scan any mathematical problem from here. For example, I'll scan this problem. I'll just simply capture this. And there you go. It'll come up with the response. It'll show you all the steps of the solutions. You can go through it. As you can see, here are the step-by-step solutions of this problem. You can even click on the particular step and you'll get the detailed explanation of it. So that's it. That's how you can easily solve the math problems using PhotoMath camera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.